What if you could double the profitability of your business, increase your close rate by 10 to 15%, reduce the cost of qualifying? This is what the UCStrategies UC benefit and ROI analysis tool can give your business. With this tool, you can qualify customers in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. And you can close those deals that are lost because the customer could not justify the ROI of a UC investment. And all this can be done for less than the cost of a client dinner per salesperson. So imagine for expenditure of $250 to $300 per salesperson, you could double your profitability over the next year. Let's hear more. In a recent UCStrategies survey of channels for the barriers to UC adoption, over 50% identified that either ROI or lack of budget were the key barriers. So how do we remove those? And this is very important when we look at the sales funnel. So the typical sales funnel, we have a set of potential prospects. They're qualified to make sure that we want to spend time selling them, and then we have a sales process. If you look at the funnel today, there are big challenges in UC. First, how do I qualify a prospect for UC? And then once I've qualified the prospect, how do I give that prospect the right tools to be able to sell their organization on the expenditure? This is in fact what the UCStrategies benefit and ROI analysis tool gives you. It gives you a very simple 15-minute qualification process and powerful tools to enable you to close deals. So you can close just one or two more deals per salesperson, but at $150,000 per opportunity, that's potentially $200,000 to $300,000 of additional revenue per year. When you look at the profit that revenue will generate to your business based on being past your break-even point, it'll dramatically increase your profitability. So let's see how you use the tool and how easy it is to generate an analysis. Using the tool to generate our customer analysis is simple. First thing we do is we enter the customer name. You'll notice that all of the pink boxes are where you enter values, and they all have pop-ups to tell you exactly what to enter. So we're going to enter BigCo, our customer name. And then you'll notice that on this page we have a series of questions that are asked. We actually answer those questions, 15 questions, to do a very basic analysis of the UC impact. Starts with, is this a replacement of existing PBX or augmenting a PBX? Is it a hybrid? Or is it a premise or cloud? You can actually choose, you'll notice, which one of these it is by just clicking and actually letting the tool tell you premise, cloud, or hybrid. So it's very easy to actually enter data. Then the number of users, if it's a hybrid, what percentage are premise, and then percentage of UC users. UC users, advanced collaboration, which includes multi-party video conferencing, web conferencing tools, advanced mobility. Then if you're using UC for contact centers, you can specify the contact center agents. If there's a necessity to upgrade the data network for UC and voice over IP, you can specify that. And finally, you can specify right here whether to include or exclude soft and or hard benefits. And then there are a few questions that impact the benefits. How many meetings do the average person that attends meetings attend per week? How many trips do they make per year? What are the average number of minutes that people spend communicating? And finally, because we actually do a complete financial analysis, what is the depreciation period and the internal rate of return? And then, because it actually prorates the installation year, what month was this installation going to be completed in? So by entering that data, you now can generate a report. And in fact, the beauty of the tool is that it actually allows you to generate a PDF report. You'll notice it has your logo on it that actually details for your customer exactly what the users are. A little bit later in this recording, we'll look at the output of the tool in terms of the report it generates. It may be daunting to actually pull out a PC and actually enter data directly into your tool with the customer. So included is this one-page questionnaire that you can use with the customer to fill out those 15 questions very quickly just by sitting down. It's provided as a PDF. You can print it out. You can see it's very simple. You just enter into this one page the customer name, prepared by the date, and then answer the same questions. With this now, you can come back at the office and plug it in, and within 15 minutes of coming back to the office, generate a PDF to email to your customer with a report of how UC can impact their organization. What we reviewed was just the quick analysis, quick start analysis, but the tool actually can be used to really customize it to your customer. So for example, if we look at the data entry tab, we can customize our users and the percentage of users by different kinds of UC and contact center agents. In the benefit data, we can actually enter all the benefit data into the tool. And the benefit data allows us to look not only at what we've entered and the benefits, collaboration, mobility, communication, business plazas, general business value, contact center, SIP trunking, business continuity. You can include or exclude these. You can determine whether to include them or exclude them based on hard versus soft benefits. And then you can actually tune the tool to your specific customer by tuning every benefit analysis by changing the assumption parameters. This then gives you complete benefit value, so you can actually see the value of the benefits. The system generates both a budgetary price analysis, price estimate, but also allows you to enter specific prices, and then shows you the detailed ROI analysis and P&L analysis of your customer. So you actually get complete P&L analysis, and if you look at the P&L side, at the financial analysis including depreciation, you'll actually see not only do you get charts, but you get a full financial analysis that an accounting person would understand as a profit statement. And when does the investment break even, and what is the ROI? So the tool gives you a complete set of capabilities. The tool automatically generates a 6-page report if you do a PBX replacement, 5 pages for PBX augmentation, that details all the factors of the population and use of UC, the benefits, the costs, the ROI, both cash flow and depreciation financial, and that comparison to the existing solution. If you look at the report, you'll notice that the report is actually standardized and specialized to you. So, for example, it has on every page your logo. It has prepared by you. You can name the report for each individual report for a customer, and it has the customer name and the date. And then you'll notice as you go through this, it actually has specific customization to the customer within the report. So you get this complete report, and you can generate every time you do an analysis for your customer. Thanks for listening and understanding how the tool can impact your business. If you're interested, go to UCStrategies at www.UCStrategies.com and look at the ROI tool page. Get a download, do a demo, see how it can change your business. Thanks.